Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leaving Cert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos.
Right, let's have a look at the 2017 question 6 on integration and area between the curve as well. So the graph of the function g of x equal to e to the power of x is shown on the diagram below, well, to the side. On the same diagram, draw the graph of h of x equal to e to the minus x in the domain 0 to 1. Okay, so it's the same domain. Okay, so if I'm going to draw that graph on here, I'm going to develop a table like I would in any other functions question. These are my x values, and I'm going to take them off the x-axis as such. So I'm going to start at 0. Just draw in some of these. Zero 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, still one short, and 1. Okay, and my function then is e to the minus x. So this first one would be e to the minus 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Okay. This one would be e to the minus 0.2. Okay, so if you hit at behind the ln button over on the far right, you'll get e to the power where you can insert your own power. So that's the one I'm putting in. So I'm getting 0.818 for that one. So let's round that to 1 decimal place. So well, maybe 2 decimal places for the table. So 0.82 e to the minus 0.4. Let me go back and change that 2 to a 4. And I'm getting 0.67. Let's go back and change the 4 to a 6. 0.55. And 0.45. And e to the power of minus 1 is 0.37. Okay, so that's what I'm going to plot on that graph. So at 0.2, I'm going to plot 0.82. Let me see if I can put more into this. So 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. Okay, so 0.82 is just above there. And of course, I'm starting there. 0.67 is close enough to 0.7, which is halfway, so somewhere up there. 0.55, 0.45, 0.37. So this is h of x equal to e to the minus x. Always label a graph. You will lose marks if you don't label it. Okay, there was actually 15 marks for being able to draw that question. 15 out of the 25 marks for this question 6 was for drawing that. Okay, B, find the area enclosed by g of x equal to e to the power of x, h of x equal to e to the minus x, and the line x equal to 0.75. Well, the line x equal to 0.75 is this line here. If I can draw straight. Okay, so that is the equation of that line is x is equal to 0.75. That's how you draw that line. If it was a y equal to 0.75, it would be a flat line coming across through the y-axis. Okay, so what that line means is it doesn't matter, the y value does change, but x is always 0.75. So that's how you graph that line. Okay, so I have to get the area between e to the power of x, e to the power of minus x between 0 and 0.75. So just like we did on the 2018 question a minute ago, we will do the top line minus the bottom line. That is how you get the area between two lines. Okay, so that's what we're going to do again now on the next page. Okay, so top minus the bottom. So have a look at your diagram, see which line is the top. Okay, so it's the integral. Well, let me put down area is equal to the integral of the top minus the bottom. Okay, so we have the integral between e to the power of x dx minus the integral e to the minus x dx. Okay, and both of these are between 0 and 0.75. Okay, nothing stopping me writing it like e to the power of x minus e to the minus x dx. Okay, that's fine too, because we're going to treat them individually anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so if you integrate e to the power of x, where is my integration? Okay, e to the power of x is e to the power of x. Sorry, wrong one. Okay, so this will be e to the power of x, and then this one will be minus e to the minus x. Okay, so what I'm using for this one is I'm taking that minus sign down. So it's 1 over minus 1. That's what my a is in this case. And there, that's where I'm getting, sorry, I changed it again. That's where I'm getting this minus here. Okay, so in fact, it's 1 over minus 1 e to the minus 1x. Okay, so my a in this one is minus 1. So I hope that makes sense. Okay, and it's both of them between 0 and 0.75. Okay, so let's tidy it up. It'll be e to the power of x plus e to the minus x between 0 and 0.75. So let's put in the top first. So e 0.75 plus e to the minus 0.75 minus e to the 0 plus e to the minus 0. Okay, so let's put them into our calculator. So e to the 0.75 plus e to the minus 0.75. I am getting 2.5894 for that, minus e to the power of 0. Well, anything to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So I'm getting 2.5894 minus that 2. So I'm getting 0.5. Oh, it's correct to 4 decimal places. Sorry, I didn't even see that. I didn't even read that. But we're okay because we actually took 4. Okay, so 0.5894 units squared is the area I get for this area here. Okay, so again, top curve minus the bottom curve between two limits. Okay, so I hope that one makes sense.
If you've enjoyed this video, then why not join us in IT Sligo and use maths in practice. In conjunction with industry, we've designed an exciting new program in electronics and self-driving technologies, which uses cutting-edge techniques such as artificial intelligence, computer vision, and virtual and augmented reality. You'll need a H5 in maths to qualify. Check out the link below.